these high-protein, super cheesy scrambled eggs. A serving, so this entire recipe, offers 20 grams of protein and it's only 190 calories. Cottage cheese melts when it's cooked, so it provides the melted, cheesy taste that you can get from adding shredded cheese, but at a much lower calorie and higher protein value. This recipe is so simple to make and will leave you feeling super satisfied with taste and fullness, helping you with your healthy weight loss goals. Having these scrambled eggs with a side of my high protein pancakes and some berries makes it a high protein, filling, and balanced meal. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my elite weight loss coaching program at adriennerd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes on healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.